We're doing the week 14 lab, which is a fall and spring thing. In the summer, this would be done in week 7, and it's for chapter 34. So we'll open up the procedure, and it says open, print, and save your table 34, which you're going to send back to me. Okay, so we're going to be looking at volume 1. So there's my volume 1. Okay, volume 1, waves, and we can get rid of that sound, so we will. Not that we have to deal with it too much. And we want to look at multiple slit interference. Multiple slit interference. Okay, number of slits we want 2. Wavelength we want 500 nanometers, which we have. Set width at 116, 1,600 nanometers width. All right, there we go, 1,600, and spacing at 5,000. Spacing at 5,000. Okay, so we're there. And it doesn't say to turn it on, but clearly we're going to have to turn it on, so we will. Boom. All right, so now the issue is we have things to do. So let's go and turn on theory for a little while and let you look at that. If you want to read this, you're going to want to pause because I'm not going to stay there that long. Back to the experiment. And you're supposed to record the distance to the first bright fringe. Now, the center fringe, the center light is not a fringe. So the first bright one is there. And it says red line spacing is 0.05 meters. So that is a little bit less than that. And then to the second one would be there. And you're gonna have to use your eyeball and decide where those are exactly. Okay, so we're just looking at the first and second bright fringe. Then you have a bunch of calculations to do. Remember that your sine and arc sine and cosine and arc cosine functions all look for and give you radians. So shift those guys back and forth to degrees. We'll leave that up a little while. You may want to pause it while you're doing your calculations. That's run 1. Run 2 says slit. Okay, so we're going to set the number of slits to, where is it? 2. Okay, we're on 2. Wavelength, we want to be at 400 nanometers. Okay, we're at 400 nanometers. And the other 2 guys stay the same. We'll click on run. And now we have red line spacing. Am I actually able to move the blue line? I didn't think so. Yeah, I didn't think I could do that. And we want the distance to the first and second fringe again. First, second, and third fringe. And why is it that I only see 2? Why isn't it that I only see 2 fringes? That's a good question. 1, 2. Do I see a third one? Yeah, I think I see a third one. And that's right about there. It's very faint here. So yeah, I can get 3 fringes off of this. Center, 1, 2. There's 3. Okay, so I can get 3 fringes off of this as well. Is there a run 3? No, there isn't. There are just calculations to do. And other such nonsense. Notice that the screen is 1 meter away from our experiment. Okay, that concludes lab number 34, with the exception of everything you have to do, which is considerable.